Brides do not understand that their hair will not do that photo. This is a common statement that I see over and over again in the Facebook groups. So let's look at this a different way. What if we were to say, brides lack the understanding as to why their hair won't do that photo? The difference is this causes resistance, and it causes resistance in us. We get frustrated. She doesn't get it. They'll never understand. They don't understand. Why don't they let me just do my own thing? I'm good at this job. I love updos. But that's not always the case. So in switching the language that we say even to ourselves, brides lack the understanding. So now we get to step in and give them that understanding. And that's the main premises of my course and the breakdown of the sectioning system, and part of why it's included in the consultation with the sheets that are in the course. So when you look at section 1 and section 2 and how it's going to come in, how it's going to relate to the whole updo. Her hair won't do it because her hair is not long enough. Her hair is not thick enough. Her neck is too short. Her neckline of her dress is too high. So as you move through the consultation system, you can now offer the understanding. Well, yes, your photo is amazing. It's beautiful. It'll look lovely on you. Tell me what you like about this photo. And then as you move through the photo and the sectioning, you can say, okay, well, I see that the design you picked out is all in the back and the bun is kind of small. You have a lot more hair than this model does. And she'll be like, oh, really? And they don't know. But if we get frustrated and we have that in our feelings and in our emotions, it'll come out in our conversation. And that tension can cause the bride to think, well, she just doesn't know how to do hair, or she just doesn't this, or she just doesn't that. And we don't want that, dynamic. We want a positive dynamic. So to say brides lack the understanding, and then the system breaks things down, slows things down. Well, okay, this is a beautiful style. Up in here, there's quite a high bump and a really low part, and you have a higher hairline. So if I use that much of your hair to give you this side bang, we're going to take away from the height. So what do you think is more important for you, to have this side bang or, the height that's going to show off your tiara? So as you can slow down in the emotional state, and you can break it down, and you can help her gain the understanding, then you are going to be seen as an expert, and she's going to look to you. She's going to feel your calm. She's going to feel, oh, okay, I didn't know that. Oh yeah, I didn't know that. So you are helping her understand, and this is going to put you in a position of leadership, master guru, updo expert artist, and you will be able to take her photo now and alter it to her, or have a conversation about extensions, or have a conversation about hair add-ons, right? As opposed to running up against resistance. So I hope that's clear, and so now we're going to move into combing out this style.